Foundation depth should extend below the local frost line plus 6 to 12 inches to prevent frost heave and ensure long-term stability. For typical house construction, determine the local frost line from municipal resources or a building department and add 6 to 12 inches to set the bottom of the footing. This extra depth provides a safety margin for minor soil movement and surface freeze variability. In temperate zones where frost is not a concern, use a minimum depth of 3 feet for footings, since that depth helps anchor the foundation against shallow soil changes and provides consistent bearing capacity. Use a continuous footing sized per local code, which often specifies width and reinforcement based on load and soil-bearing pressure. Place reinforcement bars at the correct cover distance and support them during the pour so the steel remains embedded in concrete at the design location. If soils are soft, expansive, or variable, obtain a geotechnical report that defines allowable bearing pressure, recommended footing elevations, and any need for soil improvement such as compaction replacement or deep foundations like piers or piles. Always check and follow the local building code because it may supersede general thumb rules with specific minimum depths, frost depth references, and reinforcement requirements. When working in areas with high groundwater, consider drainage and waterproofing and raise the footing elevation, or use drained perimeter systems to keep soil conditions stable around the foundation. 3 common mistakes are assuming a generic depth without verifying the local frost line, which can cause frost, heave, and cracking, so always confirm frost depth and add the recommended safety margin. A second mistake is undersizing or under-reinforcing continuous footings, which leads to settlement and cracking. So follow code sizing and place reinforcement with proper cover and support during concrete placement. The third is ignoring poor soil conditions and skipping a geotechnical consultation, which risks uneven settlement. If soils are poor, consult a geotechnical engineer and implement recommended mitigation such as deeper footings, piers, or soil replacement. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and post-project needs so we can connect people with professionals familiar with local frost conditions and codes. We also provide a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share field experience tips, design concerns, and local practices to make better foundation decisions.